Hey guys, Jason from Advanblack. We're at Bartell's Harley-Davidson, and today we're going to be installing some carbon fiber side covers on this 25 Low Rider ST. So the tools you're going to need to install the side covers on this Low Rider ST is just a 5/32 Allen bit wrench. So on the right side you're going to have 2 bolts, on the left side you're going to only have 1. Now you're going to have to replace this grommet on the carbon fiber piece. All right, when installing this, I'm going to go up from the bottom up so that I don't have to fight with all this rubber. All right, we're going to put it in the rubber grommet first on this metal piece, push it in. And then line up your screw holes. You hand tighten them first, get everything aligned. Remember, this is carbon fiber, so you're not gonna crank it down. Just get in there nice and tight. There you go. All right, on the left side, you only have 1 bolt, and that's a 5/32 hex Allen key. And again, you got to replace these rubber grommets on the carbon fiber piece. All right, on the same thing as the other side, you're going to push down on the rubber grommets here to get them outside of the housing area. Get them both out. There it goes. You're going to reinstall them on the new one, carbon fiber piece.
Some people like the handlebar that turns what they did it all. Some people don't. Some people do it with their problem.
All right, guys, we just got finished installing the side covers for our 25 Low Rider ST. Simple install. Check out the rest of our carbon fiber lineup on advanblack.com.